I had so much fun with the quadruple coiffer pour that we did for our challenge a few months ago that I decided I needed to do another.
Hi, I'm Sherry. I want to welcome you to my studio today.
Now, what is a coiffer? Well, they don't normally look this dirty, but this is a double shot glass and it's plastic, and you can get a 4-pack on Amazon. And something about the way the paint came out of it made these gorgeous cells. They were huge and juicy. I don't know why I would call them juicy, but they were gorgeous. And I love the way this piece came out. Now this piece had I did 4 of the double shot glasses, and it was way too much paint. So on these, I am just going to do 1 on each one. And I am going to speed up this process because it is very time consuming to put all the paint into the little coiffers. Going for a peaceful color palette. Now as you see, these hold a lot. It's closer to, the bottom part is more than an ounce. I believe the total on these is almost 3 ounces. Anyway, I think it's the coming through the neck that makes these make the huge cells. It's the only thing I can think that's different between it and a regular pour. Well, clearly that wasn't enough paint, so I'm going to get out this pretty color flash paint. You can hear it gurgling. Wow, that's still way more paint than I needed. Now there was no silicone in the turquoise, and there was none in the flash paint I brought out at the last second. These skinny canvases are so hard to do because everything pretty can just go flying off right away. Flying. Not only didn't put on my gloves, I forgot to take off my rings. I'm just asking to make a mess, aren't I? Now, as usual, I started with a primed canvas. I buy triple primed, or I buy the same kind of canvases that they sell in all the art and craft stores that have that are already triple primed, they say, but I still prime mine with gesso and then with paint. Well, clearly I did not get the same big juicy cells that I did last time. But I do love these colors. Come on, go over that corner. There you go. The other reason I like to paint my canvas first is that I don't want to tilt everything off. At least it's painted down there. I have a couple of really old videos about canvas prep if you're interested. I think there's even a playlist about it. Funny how this one came out so much more green and this one came out so much more blue. Interesting. These turned out pretty. I love the cells. I love how the color looks like it goes across them both, even though they were poured separately. But it's just not quite enough. So join me in my next video where I'm going to do another layer.
Thanks for watching my video. Please leave any questions or comments you might have, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. I hope you'll subscribe. Thanks again. Bye.